How to fix iPhone swipe up not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix iPhone swipe up not working. So for that, the first solution is we'll enable access to control center within apps. So for that, head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find control center, tap on it and make sure that you've turned on this access within apps, and after you've done that you can just head back. Now the second thing that we will do is we'll just reset our settings. For that, head over to your settings again. Let's go back to our settings. Okay, so now head over to general, and on general scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it and tap on reset. After you tap on reset all settings, and after you reset all of your settings, you're good to go. Now if that does not fix your issue, what we'll do is we will simply restart your iPhone. And to restart your iPhone, what you'll need to do is you can just come to your settings, go to general, scroll down all the way and tap on shutdown. You can tap on shutdown and then tap on your power button to start it up again. The other way is you can just simply, let me go back here, you can just use forcefully restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button, and when the Apple logo appears, release the side button. And after that, your iPhone will restart and your problem should get fixed as well. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.